how to get a free domain for your Wix website. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can get a free domain for your Wix website. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is go to manage.wix.com and make sure your site is selected. Over here, you can see the test site I am using. After that, on the left side, select settings and then go to website settings. Then under site address, you can edit your domain name slightly. For example, you can change it from test to something else. Now, if you want to change a specific part of your domain, go to the top corner and click on your profile picture. After that, select account settings. Over here, under site URL prefix, click on the pencil icon. Then type in your desired prefix and your domain will update. Once you are happy with the domain, click on save in the corner. So that's how you can get a free domain for your Wix website. That's all for this video.